Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share our system fit in the FORD BA 2004 XR6 Turbo, and this one came with the faulty ICC head unit and control panel before, so it was not working well with the air conditioner control, and at this moment it's all good, all done. And everything is working properly as it should. So you can see the new 9-inch premium setup over here. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, GPS, Bluetooth, radio, and come with the full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera as usual. It connects to all the system button over here, and we have the 6-button control for the phone answer and volume up and down easily to control. All the air conditioner control panel button can be easily used from here, but also we have the dual screen that you actually can see how the air conditioner control is on by this, so you now can see all the air function by this screen as well. But otherwise you actually can simply go back to FORD between CarPlay and another thing. This one also comes with a special version. It has built-in digital radio. So at this moment the digital radio is going well on the system here, and we just click on this and we have digital radio straight away out of the system. So that's fully built in inside the head unit, and we have all of the channel that it can come from the digital thing, and the sound is great because the sound is going with the digital amplifier inside the head. So that's a whole bunch of thing of technology and modern thing, and much higher performance, boost up speaker, and everything is working, and with the reverse camera is working so nice as well and instantly. Okay, so that's about the system that we fit, and 7-inch premium fully set up in the FORD BA. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.